everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we're gonna make spicy tuna onigiri. Do you like spicy food? I don't eat a lot, but I do love spicy food. And Japanese food is not so spicy. We usually use ichimi tougarashi, red chili pepper, or shichimi tougarashi, 7 spices. And plus, some Japanese foods are inspired by Chinese food. So we sometimes use the chili oil. We say rayu. In this video, I'll make 2 kinds spicy tuna onigiri. One with using fresh tuna, and second, the homemade cooked tuna. And as always, Mayo and Luigi will be joining as our helpers. During this video, I'll introduce some useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Two kinds of spicy tuna onigiri are ready! And I prepared Japanese breakfast. This is miso soup with tofu, spring onion, and eggplant. Japanese omelette, tamagoyaki with hijiki seaweed inside. Okay, so now let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. I'll try the cooked tuna first. The handmade cooked tuna has a firm texture. I feel satisfied that I'm eating fish properly. The balance of tuna, chili oil, and mayonnaise are so perfect. Let's try fresh tuna version. The sweetness of honey overall balances everything. The flavor and aroma of soy sauce and sesame oil go well with tuna. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips of today's menu. Tip: please prepare good quality tuna for sashimi. And tip: the handmade tuna should be salted as long as possible. And tip: fry slowly over low heat for fluffy texture. I hope this recipe will help you to make daily meals. And would you like to know more Japanese food and Japanese culture? If yes, please join my mailing list. I started sending newsletters to the world. Please go to my website, yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. A pop-up screen will come up, so please type your email address and name and click. That's it. I'm sure you're wondering about my dogs, Mario and Luigi, toy poodles. And Mario is 10 years old. And Luigi, he is 6 years old. So Mario and Luigi came to my house before Kengo and Supervisor Sui-chan were born. They're half Canadian, half Japanese. So if you have a question about Luigi and Mario, please let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button before closing this window. And if you watch this video for the first time, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a wonderful weekend and new week, everyone. I'll see you next time.